What's good, Bass Drop Militia? Bass Drop Keys here. I'm your friendly neighborhood Negro, and welcome to another episode of Good Eats. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Ooey Gooey Cinnamon Toast Crunch Bars. You know it's medicated. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it. Alright guys, so today's video is being sponsored by GoodEats420.com. That is my cannabis blog. If you want to see this recipe and all the other recipes, GoodEats420.com. Thank you very much. Alright guys, so check this out. It's 2 o'clock in the morning and I want a little treat. So I went to the refrigerator, went to the kitchen trying to see what's going on so I could have a little treat. I said, man, I got a little bit of Cinnamon Toast Crunch left. I don't have any Rice Krispies left because I ate them. What can I do? So I decided, I'm gonna make some Cinnamon Toast Crunch Bars, heavily medicated. So that's what we're doing. What I'm doing right now is I'm putting the butter and the can of butter inside of our pot right here. This recipe is very simple. It's butter, it's marshmallow, it's cereal. If you want to know the exact measurements, all you gotta do is click the link in the description. It'll take you right over. GoodEats420.com. It'll take you right over and show you exactly what exactly the measurements of everything that I did. I appreciate you. But check this out. Whenever you're doing Cinnamon Toast Crunch Bars, you can have them ooey and gooey like we're doing, or you can make them a little bit more dry. What you got to keep into consideration is whenever you're medicating these, all of the medication is coming from this butter that you're seeing us melt, right? That's all the medication, that's where it's coming from. So whenever we melt this butter and then we put the marshmallows on top of that and we melt that up, that's where all your medication is coming from. So if you do your Cinnamon Toast Bars a little bit drier, then they're not gonna be that medicated because this is where it's all coming from right here. So just keep that into consideration. So once we melt our butter, you're gonna put your marshmallows inside of here. These are the ones that we had left over from the Rice Krispie treats. We're gonna melt this down. Looking wonderful. Oh, you're looking so wonderful. Yeah. Once they're melted down, you're gonna go ahead and put in your Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Like I said, I had a little bit left, so we just went ahead and throw it in here. If you want to make them ooey and gooey, remember you want to have more marshmallow and butter than you do cereal. Whenever you're doing like a Rice Krispie treat, the proportions are where the Rice Krispie treats are for the most part a little bit more drier. Unless you make them like I do, which I make them a little bit more gooey. I like mine heavily medicated. The recipe that I'm giving you right now is going to make you 4 bars. We're using 2 cups of cereal. This is going to make us 4 bars. I'm putting 320 milligrams of THC in here. So each bar is going to be 80 milligrams of THC. That's how it breaks down. So once you have everything combined, you know what to do. It's pretty simple. What I did was I went ahead and sprayed this pan. And I know I wanted to do bars, so because of the amount of cereal that we use, we're gonna fill up half of this pan and I'm gonna use a wooden spoon in order to put it in the place. I'm using this basically as a form because if I use it to form it up like this, then I'll be able to take a knife and cut it into the bars that I wanna do. But I mean, it's totally up to you, but this is just how I did it. I'm basically using this pan as a mold. And so once you do this and you let this set for like 30 minutes, depending on how much you use, it's going to take different times to set. The more that you use, as far as like the marshmallow and butter, the longer it's going to take to set. Let this set for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Sometimes, if you do it a little bit drier, it'll set even faster than that. Go ahead and cut them in the bars that you want to cut them in. And there you go. There you go. There you go. I got something to eat on. I got some Cinnamon Toast Crunch Bars. Do you want to eat with me? Woo! So yeah, just like I was telling you guys, 80 milligrams a piece. Cinnamon Toast Bars, ooey gooey like. like I said, if you want to make them a little bit drier, instead of the amount of butter that I use, this is a total of 5 tablespoons. You can, do less butter, less marshmallow, or do the same amount of butter and do less marshmallow, however you want to do it. But I wanted mine ooey and gooey, medicated up. This recipe makes 4 bars. There's only 3 here because I ate one before I shot this. So I hope this video helped you. Make sure you click the link in the description to go to the recipe. Thank you so much. Give me the thumbs up. Much love, guys. I really appreciate you. Peace.